Welcome back to Product Critique, and today we've got something truly exciting for you. Meet the CMF Phone 1 powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7305G processor, the best and fastest smartphone processor in its class. Whether you're into gaming, photography, or multitasking on the go, this device promises to deliver an experience that punches way above its price tag. Let's dive deep into what makes this phone a standout in 2025. The CMF Phone 1 is designed with performance at its core. It features the cutting-edge MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset built on TSMC's ultra-efficient 4nm process. This means blazing fast speeds and next-level power efficiency, giving you both performance and battery life in one sleek package. When it's time to top up, 33W fast charging gets you back to 50% in just 20 minutes. But it doesn't stop there. CMF has developed smart charging modes using their battery health technology to ensure your phone lasts longer, not just for the day, but over the years. Now let's talk about that display. You're getting a stunning 6.67-inch Super AMOLED screen with a crisp 1080 by 2400 resolution. Whether you're watching Netflix, scrolling through Instagram, or playing Genshin Impact, the colors pop, the blacks are deep, and the clarity is unbeatable in this price segment. It's immersive, vibrant, and smooth, just the way a modern smartphone display should be. Moving on to the cameras, the CMF Phone 1 doesn't disappoint. On the back, there's a powerful 50-megapixel Sony sensor, paired with a dedicated portrait sensor to capture true depth and rich detail. With an f1.8 aperture and a 79-degree field of view, your shots will look professional straight out of the camera. On the front, a 16-megapixel selfie camera takes care of your video calls and social media snaps, enhanced by Nothing's latest photography algorithms. What sets the photography apart is the True Lens Engine 2.0, CMF's own computational photography suite, designed to squeeze every last bit of detail and clarity out of your images. And with Ultra XDR, a collaboration with Google, your shots shine even in difficult lighting conditions. Combine this with AI Vivid Mode, which intelligently scans the scene and enhances colors in real time, and you've got a camera system that's versatile, smart, and seriously impressive. One of the most unique features is the built-in ChatGPT integration. It's right there on the device. Ask questions, get information, generate content, all without opening a browser or app. It works seamlessly with the Nothing ecosystem, especially when paired with CMF or Nothing earbuds. It's an AI experience built into your everyday mobile workflow. Let's cover the software. It runs on Nothing OS 2.6, an elegant and clean interface that stays true to Android but adds a unique minimalistic touch. It's fast, responsive, and thoughtfully designed, avoiding bloat while delivering features that actually matter. Now before you hit that buy button, here's what you need to know about carrier support. In the US, the CMF Phone 1 does not support CDMA networks. That means Verizon compatibility is limited and not officially recommended. AT&T users can expect 3G and 4G support, but no 5G. T-Mobile users fare best here, with 3G, 4G, and partial 5G support on band N41. Make sure to check your carrier's supported bands if you're planning to use this phone in the States. You get a stunning Super AMOLED display, one of the fastest processors in its class, an excellent camera setup, long battery life, fast charging, and next-gen AI features, all in a clean, modern package. That wraps up our review of the CMF Phone 1. If you're after premium features without the premium price, this one deserves a serious look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss more incredible tech reviews, right here on Product Critique. Catch you in the next one.